Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just doing a little show and tell of these big paper flowers that I've made. This is the first time I've ever tried making these. I found a template and several different kinds of flowers on my YouTuber's channel. I think she goes by the name of JP Paper Creations. And anyways, I watched one of hers and cut out my own templates of just the petal shape. So just from paper like this, in varying sizes. So you start with the big, so it'd be the biggest leaf or petal, and then that's the next size. And I did all the way down 5 different sizes. And what I used was this cardstock that I got at Michael's, and it's the 65-pound paperweight, and it seems to be really sturdy and good for that. And then I did some other ones that I'll show you here from just regular cardstock as well, from scrapbook papers and another type of cardstock. But here's one of the roses that I made, and that was from the blue cardstock. I think it turned out pretty cute. It's quite pretty. So once you get it together, you could put a little hook on the back and hang it on a wall, or you could you know, just use it for in your decor on a table or something like that. But you know, they're used in a lot of wedding backdrops and you know, on the walls for different pictures and so forth like that. So there's one I did. Now I'm going to try and show you these ones that I've done. I put this, I did 3 here. I'm not sure if you can see them all here, but I put them on a picture frame that I had. It was an older picture, and I was going to get rid of it, but then I thought maybe I could use it. So I decided to make these flowers and attach them to that, and now it could hang on a wall, or it could, I have a spot above my doorway. I have a big shelf above my front door that's really high, and it looks nice just sitting on there. So that's what I did. But here are the 3 flowers, and I'll try to show you up close a little bit. It's hard because they're on the picture frame, but so there's this one here is in a white and gold craft paper, and so I just cut out all the petals and layered them up. Added some silk green leaves just for an accent, and then I did this really big one in a 2-tone cardstock, and then this 3rd one here is a kind of a 2-tone of white and gold and kind of a blush pink and gold or rose gold. And then I just put them on here. I've got a little saying on here that says "with love." I'm not sure if you can see that. And then I've added some gold ribbon and some pretty organza. And yeah, I think it turned out really nice. So I'm just kind of pass it by here so you can get a good look of it. And yeah, it was really fun to do. So I just was wanting to share that today, and you know, maybe there's something that you'd like to try as well. So thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye now.